Okay, if you are curious about the thumbnail, I got caught. I got caught shopping online. Long story short, I wanted to surprise my wife and buy her something she liked. After buying the items, I cleaned my browsing history, but I forgot I took some screenshots during the shopping process. Well, 2 days later, my wife found out about the items. They were still sitting in the recycle bin. The items that I was buying were questionable, for lack of a better term, which freaked her out and made her think that I was buying the items for another lady. I normally use a feature in Windows called Sandbox for all my undercover activities, but I didn't think about using it at the time. This incident made me think of making this video, so I'll show you how to not screw up if you are trying to be sneaky. But that's not the only reason why you should have Sandbox feature turned on in your Windows computer. You can also have Sandbox if you are trying to watch something online, but you are afraid it could download a malicious script, or you wanted to try a piece of software, but you are not sure of its authenticity. Windows Sandbox is a feature that is built into Windows 10 Pro, so it's not something that you have to pay for. Sandbox creates an image of Microsoft Windows inside your existing PC, so the image is independent from your actual main Windows operating system. Anything that you watch or install will only exist inside Sandbox, not your actual operating system. And once you close Sandbox, Windows will wipe out everything and it starts a fresh new copy. To take advantage of the feature, all you have to do is follow the step-by-step video. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.